let me introduce you to my thesis on how the universe came to be. This is going to be philosophical and speculative. The foundation of this philosophy is mathematical realism and the concept of cosmic memory. It also includes some elements of Eastern philosophy. To answer this question, we need to assess what metaphysical form the universe consists of. There are only three broad metaphysical categories the universe can fall into: infinity, something between infinity and zero, the idea of the universe being nothing itself. Let's first assume the universe is infinite. If we trace back the history of the universe, we eventually encounter the Big Bang. Here we face a problem as we reach the point of singularity, where causality may break down. An important principle in physics and mathematics is that we can trace back causality, or equations. If the universe were truly infinite, we would expect time symmetry, allowing us to continuously trace back beyond the Big Bang's singularity, similar to fractal geometry. However, singularities challenge this assumption. Penrose's conformal cyclic cosmology may offer a potential answer, but this theory is also speculative. Now let's consider the universe as something between zero and infinity. Here we encounter the problem of turning nothing into something. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. This means that if energy were at zero before creation, it would remain at zero. Likewise, if the universe contains substance, that substance cannot be deleted. This theory also struggles with explaining the Big Bang's singularity. Finally, we consider the idea of nothing. There doesn't seem to be much work done on the idea of the universe being nothing, for obvious reasons. For us to even ask such a question, there must be some metaphysical substance that enables us to do so. This requires some philosophical mental gymnastics. However, this concept might provide answers regarding the first cause. The principle of least action suggests that the universe seeks to expend the least amount of energy possible when moving from point A to point B. There seems to be a cosmic tendency toward doing as little as possible, which contradicts the concept of infinity. In my theory on how the universe emerges from nothing, I propose that two substances exist that are symmetrical to nothing: memory and math. I argue that memory, representing what was, what is, and what will be, is a static form of information from the past, helping to avoid causality paradoxes. Math represents a continuation of potentials from past information in a logically consistent manner. If memory stores the information of zero, keeping it in a continuous state of zero, I argue that this substance would be identical to nothing. Similarly, when a mathematical equation equals zero, that equation becomes a continuous statement of nothing. This suggests that the first cause would simultaneously be memory, math, and nothing, as they are all equivalent. This concept implies that when we take an equation that equals zero, for example, -1 + 1 is equal to 0, memory might consume the +1 of the equation and create metaphysical substance. Relativity, in this context, becomes the interaction between math and memory. From the first cause of our cosmos, all mathematical structures develop instantly from a state of ultimate nothing. This could offer an explanation for cosmic inflation. In this model, existence would be a coordination of memory from the past, math of the future, and nothing in the present. It would also create a time-symmetric model, allowing for the reversal of mathematical equations and supporting mathematical realism. This theory also suggests that repetitive information becomes ontologically impossible, which aligns with my model of the universe based on discrete dimensionality and a map from quantum particles to the simplest atomic structures. I would love to hear your thoughts on what metaphysics consists of, as well as any critiques or refutations of my ideas. Thank you for watching.